Hi Capricorns, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your monthly reading for the month of October. Okay, so we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming month. So for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. And this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. So let's see what is there for my Capricorns in the month of October. Angel, spirits, guides, please. Let's see what is there for my Capricorns, please. So I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies, and it will be a little different from my other videos because this time I'm going to do it in a little detail. Okay, so let's see what is there. Let's get started for my Capricorns. Okay, so the past, I'm seeing a situation where there was some kind of hidden information I'm getting, and that hidden information was not revealed, was actually blocked by someone. But you were actually, if this is you who is actually trying to find that hidden information. So the cards are Page of Swords with the Moon, Nine of Wands with the Two of Wands, the Fool, and the Ten of Cups. So this might be a very new relationship. This was a relationship which was just started, and it was like you got married or something. It was like that. Okay, like just in few weeks or few months only after getting to know each other, it was like okay, so let's get into the relationship or a marriage. So it was really fast, I'm seeing. You didn't get a lot of time, and but the things were really hidden from before, from because this has come after that. So before entering in this relationship, only things were something, there was something fishy in the situation. So but it was more of a situation for someone. I'm seeing that whether you were going to involve in a relationship, you were ready to get married, to get into this relationship, but the other person was still not ready. I'm getting, there was something, there was like a confusion, there was like two people, and you were not told that thing, something was hidden over here. They actually tried to block this information from you. Whosoever this thing was, somebody was involved. It is more than, it's not just two people, it is more than two people situation. And the energies, the information was blocked from you, and you didn't know anything. Yeah. Let's see your present energies for Capricorns. Three of Wands with Judgment, Knight of Pentacles with Seven of Swords, and Five of Wands with Ace of Wands. Okay, I'm seeing that you're waiting for some kind of a judgment, some kind of some kind of a judgment, I would say. How it's the best way how I can explain you that this is some kind of a waiting from a long time. For you might be waiting for that information, like why this thing happened. This is that thing as well. When you are waiting for the information to come towards you, and just you're waiting for that thing. because it has not been revealed yet. So you have no idea whatever is happening, why is it happening. You do not have the answer of why yet. Okay, so you're with this Knight of Pentacles and Seven of Swords. So yes, things are really going slow. They are actually, because of all that hidden stuff, somebody actually is being sneaky over here. So that is why things are actually going on slow. The process is slow. But I'm seeing that they are really, if you are married, if you are already married, there are some conflicts, there are some things which are actually, small petty issues are actually, you are not able to deal with all these issues right now. Something is happening which you don't know about. Because somebody over here is ready to, from the past only, is ready to is actually misguided, or is misguiding someone else. Yeah, so the future situation, we got the Temperance and Two of Pentacles, the Chariot and Nine of Cups, Three of Cups and the Magician over here. Okay, this is, I'm really getting that this is, see, these both the cards, they actually mean a very, there is a simple meaning, there is an actual, when we try to balance, see over here also, this angel is actually also trying to balance. See the cup, both the cups, they are balancing, and over here as well, this person is trying to balance the energies. A lot of balancing is required, plus is happening in your future. Your mind is balancing, you are giving a lot of focus on yourself, because you are being busy, you are balancing work life, home life as well, you are trying to balance yourself as well. So it's a lot of pressure over you in your future, I'm seeing. All the work you are doing, no one is helping you, and you are, by the time you are doing all these things, you're also motivating yourself, you're also showing some gratitude. So for whatever you have, you are actually happy for that thing, you are moving on in life, you are saying goodbye. It's like, saying bye to your ex and moving on in your life. So that is what you are actually doing, okay, in your future energies, and they are very positive, to be very honest. And you are like, you're celebrating this thing because you have actually manifested this thing. Whatever the situation you are dealing with is not going to last long, because you are becoming very positive, and you are actually becoming the best version of yourself over here. So that is why I'm really seeing a very beautiful energy over here for you, Capricorns. You are working on yourself, you are with your friends celebrating, reunions, rejoicing and everything. Whatever you actually want, you are being happy, just going and having a drink with your friends, or just watching movie together, or something like that. And that is why I'm seeing that, you're really positive towards this thing, very positive. So let's see what is the advice from the universe regarding the situation. Yeah, so Eight of Wands, Six of Swords and Justice card. So if you are dealing with some law situation over here, so I'm really getting, because of your positivity, it is actually coming towards you. Within 3 months, I'm really getting that energy of months over here. Within 3 months, things are really coming towards you, and the things are really going fast. They are coming towards you. Okay, so the advice for you is just stay positive. Like, your future cards are over here. Whatever is happening, let it happen by its own. So do not try to involve yourself. Do not try to just enter in this thing. It will not give you happiness. So try to be happy, try to be content, try to show some gratitude towards the universe, everything, whatever you feel like showing gratitude, because you are going to grow. You are glowing, Capricorns, and that is really beautiful. Okay, so that is all from my side, Capricorns. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.